Hello and welcome to this MyTourBook tutorial, and in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of all the main features of MyTourBook. In the upcoming video series you'll see all the features in individual videos in full detail, but in this video I'm giving you a quick start, brief overview, because I know people like to jump in before watching tutorial videos. So first I'm going to go to Tours, and I'm going to click up here on Create Tour. And I'm going to type in the artist name, which is going to be The Beetroots. And the tour name is going to be Beetroots for Sale UK Tour 2020. And the company name is going to be Garden Grown Band Limited. And this tour is going to run from the 1st of May until the 8th of May. And there you go, your tour's been created. Now I'm not going to import here from a spreadsheet because that's covered in a later video. I'm just going to show you the basic overview of how to edit your tour. For a start, we can add an image here by clicking on the plus. And as you can see here, I've got a picture of a beetroot which I'm going to upload as the picture for the tour. Now I'm going to click here on Edit. This is your day editor. You can enter titles for your days up here. So the first day I want to be travel to London, and I'm going to make that blue. I'm going to make all my travel days blue. My next day is going to be Hammersmith Apollo, and that's a gig day, so it's going to be green. I'm going to fill in the other gig days. Okay, let's add some locations to this. So we're going to be staying in the K West Hotel and Spa, so I'm just going to go new location, K West Hotel and Spa, London, and I'm going to make that a hotel, click add location, and there it is. I'm also going to add in King's Cross Station, London. That's going to be a train station. And I'm also going to add in Gatwick Airport. And that is an airport. And the next day I'm going to add in a new location. I'm just going to copy that from there, put it to there. That's a venue. And it's found it with the address. And now I'm going to start entering some times into the day. So at 9 o'clock we're going to have the load in. At 12 o'clock we're going to have lunch. And there is our day sheet built. I'm going to copy all, go to Birmingham, paste add, go to Cardiff, paste add, go to Manchester Apollo, paste add, go to Glasgow Hydro, paste add. I'm going to fill in these other locations. And the travel home will drop at King's Cross Station, but I've already got that in the database because I did it earlier, so I can just go to train station and click there. And that puts it in. And there is our basic itinerary. So if I want to click print entire itinerary, now you can colour individual day events by clicking on the colours. You can delete them by clicking on the X's. You can add notes in for each day. So let's say we have press in tonight, first night. We could upload an image. I'm going to go for that beetroot again. We've uploaded that as an attachment for the day. And at the moment we've got automatic distance calculations on, which is fine. That will work out all our distances between our locations. As you can see, we've got estimated travel time here, estimated travel time there. I'm going to move those notes to the bottom there, so they're underneath the events. Now, here is where you find your locations. You can get it up here in the top menu, or you can get it here on the tour menu. Next, you might want to add some contacts to your tour. So just as an example, I'm going to add myself. You can either invite contacts by adding in their email addresses there and sending this message. Please accept my contact request so I can add you to the tour. Thanks. And then you click submit. But in this scenario, I'm just going to go to add remove tour members and I'm going to add myself to the tour. And I'm up here, first one on the list, add to tour, and you'll see now I'm listed on the tour. I can add remove tags to myself, guitarist and vocalist. And I can add some tags here and make the MyTourBook account the tour manager. I can type in some titles here. You can reorder them as well. You can reorder all your tour members. You can add as many tour members as you need. Last couple of things I'm going to show you. Over here, you can manage your guest lists and passes. So you can pick a day, for example, Hammersmith Apollo, add someone to the guest list. Also, your tour members can request guests. Those requests will appear here for you to approve or deny. You have options here where you can turn on and off people being allowed to use the guest list. You can add in custom tour passes and you can have guest list requests emailed to you. Also, you can notify all your tour members by typing a message in there and clicking send, and that will either push it through to their phone or send them an email if they don't have the phone app, or you can select individual members to send messages to. Once you're done with your tour, you can click on settings and go published and click save tour status, and that will publish the tour to all your tour members. And you can make other tour members an admin by clicking on make tour admin, and they can manage the tour via the tour manager app. Now, this is a very brief overview. I go into every section of this in a lot more detail in future videos. Hopefully this is enough to get you started with MyTourBook. And if you have any questions, click here on help, go to the contact page and let us know what you need help with, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video series.